Hello, welcome back to the video tutorials for the MP3 speaker unit scheme of work. We're going to go through the component holder today. You can see that on the screen in front of you. So I'm just going to open a new part. Again, remembering to open a standard millimeter IPT. So if I create that, I'm just going to create a sketch and I'm going to work on the front plane again. Same as before, I'm going to use the rectangle tool. This time I'm going to make it user dimensions whilst I'm making it, so I want that dimension to be 200 and I want this one to be 130. Okay, and I'm going to constrain the rectangle again. Okay, so I've got my fully constrained rectangle there. Now what I'm going to do is just draw on the circles that are going to hold the speakers. So I could want them to be 32 millimeters. I'll just dimension them. Okay, and I want to mirror that circle so it's in exactly the same place. So I'll just create a construction line. And then what I'm going to do is use the mirror tool, select the feature, circle, and the mirror line, the construction line I've just put in, apply, press done. You can see there the circle is going to correct place. Finish the sketch. There's my 2D model. Extrude. I want to extrude 8mm this time. Select the profile, press OK, and there we have it. So the next thing that I want to do is create the section that's going to hold the PCB unit. So again, what I want to do is I'm going to draw in a construction line down the middle, and then I'm going to take off the construction tool and just draw in half a rectangle, dimension it up again. Okay, so there we have it. And I'm just going to use the mirror tool again. This time I'm selecting multiple lines, and then I'm going to use the mirror line down the centre again that I created. Apply, done, finish the sketch, and again I'm just going to extrude. This time I'm cutting, extrude cutting, so select the middle there. I'm going to select 2mm, I'll select that profile and press OK. So you can see that we've got the space for the PCB unit. Alright, and now I want to apply some holes into there so I can attach the PCB to the correct area. So what I'm going to do is create a new sketch. I'm just going to do the same thing again. I'm going to put a construction line just down the middle, like so. And then I'm just going to put 2 points in. One there, one there. What I want to do is dimension these up. Correct size. There we go, and again I'm going to mirror them so I can select my 2 points about that line, apply, done, and then if I go across the 3D model, select hull, it's already selected the points for me because I'm just taking it from the sketch, and I just want to edit the settings, so I want the depth to be 4mm. And press OK, and there we have it. I've got my holes in the correct places. I'm just going to apply fillets to the edges of the features. So we'll set 20. Select all the lines, the correct lines. Work around the model if you need to. Apply. Close that. There we have it. So you can see that that would fit into our casing quite nicely. And then I want to just put some holes that are going to locate with the casing, so I'm going to right click, create a new sketch on the back, and I'm just going to use the fillet holes, the centres of the fillets that we created again. So I can just go to 3D model, hole, again, just select these centre points really easily. I'll change the dimension to 6mm, and I'm just going to press OK. There you have it. I've got the holes in the back there. Just home that. So that's the end of the second video. Come back to for the third video, which is going to be of the grill, the front part of the MP3 speaker that we're going to use in the assembly. Thanks for listening.